Hey everyone, it's Chris at Fixr.com. We break down the cost to fix up your home so you don't have to stress. Today, we're going to talk about how much it costs to install a new garage door. The average cost to install a new garage door ranges anywhere from $700 to $2,000, with some high-end garage doors costing around $4,000. I know that's a pretty large price range, but I'll show you how certain options can increase the cost to install your garage door. First, let's talk about the most common types of garage doors. Single panel garage doors are the cheapest ones available, averaging between $400 and $1,200 before the installation. Single panel garage doors feature one unit that flips up and slides back above your car. They usually include springs and are hung on a hinge system and makes it able to open with or without an automatic opener. Next, we have tilt-up retractable doors, which are one of the most common types, costing between $600 and $2,000. These types of garage doors are fitted on tracks that are mounted above with pivot arms on the sides with springs. The door then tilts up and slides back so you can open it both manually and with an automatic opener. And lastly, another type you'll see often are sectional garage doors. These types usually range from $750 to $2,500. Sectional garage doors typically feature several panels joined at hinges, which allow it to bend when it opens and closes. They also have rubber seals, which help block drafts and other debris from blowing in. Let's talk about materials. Garage doors can be made from a variety of different materials, including steel, aluminum, vinyl, composite, fiberglass, wood, and glass. Now, when it comes to selecting a brand, there's a lot to consider. You need to consider the price, the style, the warranties, and most important, the quality. Amarr is one of the least expensive brands you can buy if you're on a budget. Most of Amarr's products are made from recycled materials with a focus on insulation and noise reduction. Many of Amarr's products also feature a lifetime warranty. Clopay is somewhere in the middle price range. They feature many different styles and material options that are energy efficient and made to order, so you'll be able to customize your garage door the way you want. And finally, one of the most expensive brands is the Overhead Door. Overhead Door is one of the biggest names in garage doors due to its quality and its reputation. They offer a large amount of materials and styles and also offer 24/7 maintenance and repair services. While they can be expensive, they're worth the price if you can afford it. When it comes to installing a new garage door, there's a lot to consider that could influence the cost. Determining the size of the door you need, along with the materials, style, and brand are all essential in choosing the right door that's within your budget. Head over to Fixr.com for a more detailed article, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like these. See you next time.